In this video, we'll deploy a simple web application to Google Cloud Run. Let's get started. For this video, we'll be using Cloud Shell. The container image we're using in this video was built in a previous video. Links to that in the description below. We activate our Cloud Shell. We set some gcloud config to set our project and the default location we'll be deploying our Cloud Run application to. Gcloud config, set core project, name of our project, in this case, Mofi Labs. Next, we set our default location. Gcloud config, set compute region, US Central 1. To use Google Cloud Run, we might need to enable the API. To enable the API, you can run gcloud services enable run.googleapis.com. To deploy the service using Google Cloud Run, you can run gcloud run deploy. URL of the image, in our case, is US Central 1 docker.package.dev / name of our project, which is Mofi Labs, / name of the repo, which we set to hello, and finally the name of the image, which is hello-go. In this case, we're deploying the Go image. If you are following a different language path, you could change the word -go to your language. Then we set some environmental variables. We set target equals Cloud Run. We'll set the service name to hello-go. We'll select location as 29 because that's US Central 1. This will start deploying our service. This can take a couple of minutes. Once we're done, we'll have our service and our service URL. We can access our service using this URL. We can run curl this URL, and we'll get back hello Cloud Run. That's it for this video. We'll cover other Kubernetes and container-related topics in future videos.